8.2 out of 10. We ran the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 through the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system, and the numbers don't lie. Because if you are hauling a 65-pound e-bike up your apartment stairs every single day, there is a smarter way to do this. Check the best price from the link in the description and hit subscribe. Because the best electric bike series keeps rolling. Now let us look at what this bike can actually handle. City flat commuting. Scores a 9.3. This is exactly what the XP Lite 2.0 was built for. 49 pounds, folds in under 30 seconds, fits in a car trunk, slides under a desk, hops on a train. Last mile urban. Errands land at 8.8. Coffee runs, station to office hops. Quick trips across town. This bike eats all of it without drama. Now the honest number. Hill climbing scores a 6.5. Independent testing confirmed the 300-watt motor can overheat and shut down on steep sustained grades, especially for heavier riders. If your daily route has rail hills, that number matters. Moving on to daily performance. Folding and portability scores a 9.1. This is genuinely one of the easiest folding e-bikes to live with on Amazon. It folds fast, it is manageable to carry, and at 49 pounds. It is 15 pounds lighter than the XP 3.0. Real-world range lands at 7.8. Tested results came in at 37 miles in low assist and around 20 miles in full assist. Honest and predictable for a battery this compact. Top speed scores a 7.5. 20 miles per hour as a Class 2 bike is enough for city streets, though riders used to faster bikes will notice the difference. Now for user experience. Braking is the headline at 9.0. Hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors on a 49-pound bike means this thing stops faster than almost anything in its class. Build and finish quality scores an 8.0. Solid frame, color display with USB charging port, optional Gates carbon belt. Drive that eliminates chain maintenance completely. The two honest weak spots. Ride comfort scores a 6.8. There is zero suspension, so rough pavement goes straight to your hands and back. And pedal assist. Distribution scores a 6.2. PAS1 gives almost no help while PAS3 already hits top speed, leaving very little useful range between the two. Let us talk about who this bike is actually for. Apartment and student. Riders score a 9.5. No other folding e-bike on Amazon at this level is this easy to store and carry daily. Light city commuters score a 9.0. Casual recreational riders land at 7.7. Fun on paved paths and leisure rides. Hilly terrain riders score a 4.8. And that red score is the data being straight with you. So is it worth it? Value for money scores a 9.2. Feature set at this level scores an 8.7. Hydraulic brakes, color display. USB charging and belt drive option at this entry level is genuinely remarkable. If your city is flat and your storage is tight, the CineTech score is 8.2 out of 10. Game changer for the right rider. Check the best price from the link in the description.